Mineral Illuminator, no baggage, deflects dark shadows under the eyes, and the reflective minerals brighten and eliminate fine lines. This is a fabulous eye treatment infused with vitamin C and E to nourish and hydrate, and juniper juice infused as an anti-inflammatory. This is an incredible product to use on its own on bare skin, or put it on over top of your makeup to illuminate and brighten the face. This treatment is incredible to put around the top of your eyes and under your eyes at night for an eye treatment to take down puffiness.